Hey guys, it's Pat from PowerX International. Today I'd like to talk about our P37 hand pump. It's one of our best sellers overall. It's a dandy pump. Folks love it because of a couple of different reasons. It's small, compact, but it's 2-speed. So what it does is it allows you to get your jobs done faster with less effort. So when we talk about interchanging pumps out in the workplace, the P37 is a direct replacement for Enerpac's P392 and PowerTeam's P59. So the 2-speed operation equals faster jobs. It automatically shifts from high flow, low pressure to low flow, high pressure. It speeds up cylinder advancement, then delivers control force under a load. Another great feature from the P37 pump is it gives you precise control. It's got smooth pressure buildup, which is great for operators because it gives them exact control and there's no guesswork. Another great feature is it's portable and field ready. It's compact with a lightweight design, but it also provides accessibility out in remote places where there is no power. And of course, the P37 is heavy duty with a steel reservoir and frame, and it's built to withstand tough industrial environments. With 34 cubic inches of usable oil capacity, you can run a wide range of cylinders and jacks. In conclusion, this is a high-speed, high-pressure, portable pump which delivers electric performance anywhere without power. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Otherwise, get a hold of us by phone at 414-988-6202.